Hi, this is Chris. I'm here to talk about converting between improper fractions and mixed numbers. I'm an instructor at Shoreline Community College. What's an improper fraction? It's a fraction where the number on top, the numerator, is larger than the number on the bottom, the denominator. In this example, 19 is larger than 8. 19 is the number on top, the numerator. 8 is the number on the bottom, the denominator. So it's an improper fraction. What's a mixed number? A mixed number is a number combined with a fraction. 2 and 3/8, 2 is a whole number, 3/8 is a fraction. Together form 2 and 3/8 a mixed number. To convert between an improper fraction, say 19/8, and a mixed number, we divide the numerator, the number on the top, by the denominator, the number on the bottom. That's the whole number, and what remains is the new numerator, while the denominator remains the same. So taking 19/8, divide 19 by 8 is 2, with a remainder of 3. So our mixed number will be 2 and 3/8. Let's do it again. Let's convert 17/4 to a mixed number. So we divide 17 by 4, which is 4 with a remainder of 1. So 17/4 is equal to 4 and 1/4. To convert between a mixed number, 2 and 3/8, and an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number, 2, times the denominator 8 and add it to the numerator 3. This is the new numerator, while the denominator stays the same. So 2 and 3/8, 2 times the denominator 8 is 16, plus 3 is 19. That's our new numerator, and the denominator stays the same, so 2 and 3/8 equals 19/8. Let's do it again. Let's convert 4 1/4 to an improper fraction. So we multiply 4 times the denominator 4, that's equal to 16, plus 1 is 17, and that's our new numerator. So 4 1/4 is equal to 17/4. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. Bye.